Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is 8th July and today's my video topic is non-technical topic and topic name is the magical mill. Once upon a time in a small village nested with the green fields there exists a humble flour mill, but there was no ordinary mill. It possesses a magical secret. Is known as the Jadui Chakki or the magical flour mill. The legends whisper that anyone who used it would be granted extraordinary blessing on the wisdom. Word of the Jadui Chakki spread far and wide captivity and curiosity of a people for a distant land. They hear taste of the incredible power is for from the generation to the next. The mill stood a symbol of the hope and possibility, promising an enlightenment to those who were capable enough encounter it. One day, a young villager named Raju stumbled upon the Jadui Chakki. Intrigued by the stories he had heard, he approached with the reverence and the respect as the began tuning the mill. He was astonished to witness the transformation before his eyes. The grain poured into the mill transformed into the finished flour, overflowing with the goodness and nourishment. But it was just a flour that was with the eyes rotating on the wheel. The Jadui Chakki whispered into ancient wisdom to the Raju's ear. The mill store tales and guidance, preservation, and the importance of the sharing over a blessing with the others. Raju listened attentively and absorbing the profound limestone and enhanced through the air. Over time, Raju became more than a mere observer. They become an endowment of the mills, teaching and share the magical flour with the fellow villagers, ensuring that no one went to hungry. The flour not only satisfy their physical hunger but also nourish their soul, and they could feel the love and care Raju had induced into it. The Jadui Chakki power grew stronger with each act of selflessness and compassion. It transformed the lives and those who encountered it, inspiring them to be kinder, more generous, and more understanding. People from all the walk of the life began to gather around the mill, drawn by the enhancement and the transformation impact to had their lives. The villages threw not just their material wealth but also the riches of the community bonds. The Jadui Chakki taught villagers that true magical lives not in a procession and external miracle but also power the love and empathy and the share the humanity. This is all about the story, and the moral of the story is timeless remind that greatness treasure in life are often found with the ourselves. It urges us as embrace and kindness, uplift others, and the lavish and simple blessing that surrounded as a everyday. This is all about the today's storytelling topic, and discuss all telling all the story, and there are two moral of the story is moral we can learn from the story is the kindness it rewarded my generous spirit and sharing the magical with those need brought joy and prosperity and villagers. The story emphasize the true happiness come from using from gifts to help the others. Greed and consequences. Greedy wants attempt explore the magical for his own gain. The magical pro only work for a meal because of the kind intention. This teaches us the greed and selfish will ultimately lead the disappointed. This is all about the moral of the story. Thank you.